Hey everyone, Tyson here with NOMATIC. Today I'd like to walk through the NOMATIC backpack, the perfect bag for everyday use. The exterior of this pack is made with strong water-resistant Ykk zippers and tarpaulin material that will last forever. Our patent-pending strap design allows you to switch between backpack and briefcase. The back panel slips over a roller luggage handle to free up your hands while on the move. Or you can purchase NOMATIC waist straps for additional support. On the top of the bag, there is a fleece-lined pocket for your phone, wallet, or other quick access items. On the back is a hidden pocket for cash and other valuables. The accessories compartment has multiple mesh elastic pockets for cords, power banks, and other small items. Down below is a dedicated notebook pocket, a place for your pens, and multiple mesh and zipper pockets. On the other side, you have a lockable RFID safe pocket to keep scannable items secure. Cord pass-through holes allow you to charge while on the move. When you need to pack extra, the expansion can increase from 20 to 24 liters. The full perimeter zipper gives you access from all sides and a full view of the inside for better visibility and packing, and also has multiple mesh zipper pockets. You get top access to a laptop compartment designed to hold up to a 15-inch laptop. The front panel can hold a tablet, keyboard, mouse, and all your cords. The NOMATIC backpack also comes with a removable sunglasses shell and retractable key leash. Last but not least, our magnetic water bottle pocket expands when you need the space and snaps shut when not in use. So as you can see, this bag is perfect for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the NOMATIC backpack takes you.